Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's probably crossed your mind at some point, especially if you're anything like me and you get weirdly anxious thinking about unexpected maintenance costs. We're talking about the top 5 American cars with the most affordable maintenance costs in 2024. That's right, if you're looking to save money on car maintenance, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, kicking off our list at number 5 is the 2024 GMC Terrain. Now this compact SUV comes in with an estimated maintenance cost of $7,706 over 10 years. You know me, I like to break things down, so let's put that in perspective. That's like, what, a monthly subscription to a fancy streaming service you never really use, except you're actually getting somewhere in this scenario? But seriously, the Terrain offers a pretty decent balance of practicality and reasonable maintenance costs, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. It's got that rugged SUV look without the rugged SUV price tag when it comes to upkeep. Plus, it's a GMC, so you know it's built to last. You've got your spacious interior, decent fuel economy, and a whole lot of safety features. What more could you ask for? Let's dive a bit deeper into what makes the 2024 GMC Terrain stand out. First off, the design. The exterior is sleek and modern, with a bold grille and sharp lines that give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the Terrain is just as impressive. The dashboard is well organized, and the infotainment system is user-friendly, featuring a touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a great choice for families, with plenty of room in the back for kids and all their gear. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or just running errands around town, the Terrain has you covered. And let's not forget its versatility. The Terrain is built to handle a variety of driving conditions, from city streets to off-road adventures. It's even equipped with an all-wheel drive option for those tricky weather days. When it comes to fuel economy, the Terrain doesn't disappoint. It offers competitive mileage, so you won't be spending a fortune at the pump. This makes it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike. Safety is another area where the Terrain excels. It comes loaded with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. These features not only provide peace of mind, but also contribute to its high safety ratings. And if you're worried about long-term reliability, GMC has you covered with a solid warranty and excellent customer service. This ensures that your investment is protected for years to come. The 2024 GMC Terrain also offers a range of customization options. You can choose from different color schemes and trim levels to make the vehicle truly your own. Whether you prefer a more luxurious feel or a rugged look, there's a Terrain for you. Don't just take my word for it, the Terrain has received glowing reviews from owners and critics alike. It's praised for its reliability, comfort, and overall value, making it a top contender in the compact SUV market. So if you're in the market for a compact SUV that offers a blend of style, practicality, and affordability, the 2024 GMC Terrain should definitely be on your list. It's a vehicle that truly delivers on all fronts. Head to your nearest GMC dealership to take one for a test drive and see for yourself why the Terrain is a standout choice for 2024. Coming in hot at number 4 is an American icon, the 2024 Ford Mustang. This car has been a symbol of American muscle and performance for decades, and the latest model continues to uphold that legacy with pride. This legendary sports car boasts a 10-year maintenance cost of $7,093. That's right, folks. Owning a high-performance vehicle doesn't have to break the bank. When you think about it, that's less than $1,000 a year to keep this beast in top shape. Now I know what you're thinking. A sports car that's easy on the wallet? You better believe it. The Mustang has always been known for delivering incredible value, and the 2024 model is no exception. It's a car that offers both thrills and practicality, a rare combination in the world of sports cars. The Mustang proves that you don't have to sacrifice performance for affordability. With its powerful engine options and agile handling, this car is built to perform. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking it to the track, the Mustang delivers an exhilarating driving experience every time. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except your cake is a powerful machine that turns heads wherever you go. The roar of the engine, the sleek lines of the body, and the unmistakable presence of the Mustang make it a car that commands attention. And let's be real, the iconic design of the Mustang never gets old. It's a classic for a reason. The 2024 model pays homage to its heritage while incorporating modern design elements that make it look fresh and contemporary. From the aggressive front grille to the sculpted rear end, Every detail is crafted to perfection. But back to the maintenance costs. The Mustang benefits from Ford's reputation for reliability, and parts are generally easy to find and relatively affordable. This means that even if something does go wrong, you won't be left stranded with a huge repair bill. Ford's extensive network of dealerships and service centers ensures that help is always nearby. So you can enjoy those exhilarating drives without constantly worrying about your bank account. The Mustang offers peace of mind along with its performance, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to combine excitement with practicality. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the Mustang family, the 2024 model is sure to impress. And let's not forget about the interior. The 2024 Mustang comes equipped with the latest technology and comfort features. From advanced infotainment systems to luxurious seating, every aspect of the interior is designed to enhance your driving experience. It's a car that not only performs well but also keeps you connected and comfortable on the road. Safety is another area where the Mustang excels. With a suite of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, you can drive with confidence knowing that you're protected. The Mustang is designed to keep you safe while you enjoy the thrill of the drive, and with a range of colors and customization options, you can make the Mustang truly your own. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more bold and modern, there's a Mustang for every taste. It's a car that lets you express your personality while delivering unmatched performance and value, so there you have it. The 2024 Ford Mustang is a car that offers everything you could want in a sports car and more. It's a true American icon that continues to set the standard for performance, design, and value. If you're in the market for a sports car, the Mustang should be at the top of your list. Don't just take our word for it, though. Get behind the wheel of a 2024 Mustang and experience the thrill for yourself. Once you do, you'll understand why this car has been a favorite for generations. The Mustang is more than just a car, it's a legend, and the 2024 model is ready to carry that legacy forward. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the 2024 Chevrolet Malibu. This mid-size sedan comes in with a very respectable maintenance cost of $6,460 over 10 years. The Malibu is like that reliable friend who's always there for you without any drama. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done and it won't let you down. Plus, that maintenance cost is music to my ears. Think of all the road trips you could go on with that kind of savings. And let's not forget about the Malibu's comfortable interior, smooth ride, and impressive fuel efficiency. It's a practical choice that doesn't skimp on the features. Alright folks, we're getting to the top of the list, and at number 2 we have the 2024 Tesla Model S. This luxury electric sedan comes in with a 10-year maintenance cost of $4,556. Now I know what you're thinking, a Tesla, affordable maintenance? But hear me out. Electric cars in general tend to have lower maintenance costs compared to their gas-powered counterparts. Fewer moving parts, no oil changes, the list goes on. And the Model S is no exception. Plus, it's a Tesla, so you know you're getting cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and that signature Tesla performance. It's like the future of driving, but without the futuristic price tag when it comes to maintenance. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 spot on our list goes to the 2024 Tesla Model 3. This electric sedan takes the crown with an incredibly low maintenance cost of just $3,587 over 10 years. That's right, you heard me correctly. The Model 3 is not only a technological marvel, but also a champion of affordability when it comes to maintenance. It's like Tesla designed this car with our wallets in mind. And the best part, you don't have to compromise on style, performance, or technology to enjoy those savings. The Model 3 has it all. From its minimalist interior to its impressive range and acceleration, the Model 3 is a game-changer in the automotive world. One of the standout features of the 2024 Tesla Model 3 is its extensive supercharger network, making long-distance travel a breeze. Imagine taking a family road trip without the constant worry of finding a charging station. Tesla's infrastructure ensures you're covered. And let's not forget about Tesla's advanced autopilot capabilities. The Model 3 can practically drive itself, offering a glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. The central touchscreen interface is intuitive and packed with features from navigation to entertainment, all at your fingertips. Safety is another area where the Model 3 excels. With top-notch safety ratings and a suite of driver assist features, you can drive with peace of mind. Customization options are plentiful, allowing you to choose from a range of colors and interior finishes to make your Model 3 uniquely yours. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Model 3 delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The regenerative braking system not only enhances efficiency, but also contributes to the car's overall performance, making every drive enjoyable. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the 2024 Tesla Model 3 is more than just a car. It's a statement of innovation and sustainability. Owners rave about their experiences, highlighting the seamless integration of technology and the joy of driving an electric vehicle. It's no wonder the Model 3 has received numerous accolades and awards, solidifying its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. So, if you're in the market for a new car that combines affordability, performance, and cutting-edge technology, look no further than the 2024 Tesla Model 3. It's truly in a league of its own. The future of driving is here, and it's electric. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 is ready to take you there. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 American cars with the most affordable maintenance costs in 2024. Whether you're looking for a practical sedan, a rugged SUV, or a head-turning sports car, there's an option on this list for everyone to consider. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which car you think offers the best value for its maintenance cost. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.